I'm Ali Reza Benajat, and I'm leading the Spatial Structures Research Cluster at the University of Surrey.
I'm Professor Lina Bufalino. I work with forestry sciences, specifically with the development of bioenergy and bioproducts.
I'm Professor Amelia Hadfield, and I'm the Director of CFAL Surrey, based here at the Institute for Sustainability.
In the construction sector, we are unfortunately responsible for a large portion of the carbon footprint. This was one of the motives that brought Professor Lina Bufalino from UFRA and myself, with the support from the British Council, organizing this workshop in Amazonia region.
First day was conference day with lectures from experts, followed by poster presentations by early career researchers. The second day, we started with also lectures in the morning. Then we followed an afternoon of visiting both laboratories at UFRA that work with palms and bamboos for bioresearch and bioenergy, and also a visit at MPEG Museum. In the third day, we took the participants by boat to Kombu Island, and then we talked about how we obtain the bioproducts, the resources from the forests. We also invited the locals to talk about how they choose the wood, the bamboo, and the palm to do their own bioconstructions.
So the question is how researchers from different parts of the world can contribute to this movement, to the new construction which is less harmful to the environment.
And they're really looking at real-world problems and sustainable materials going forward, one of which, for example, is bamboo.
We have participants from 5 different continents.
I'm really impressed with the output they have got and the research they've got. I'm thinking about how can I use my specific knowledge to do more for a better production of bamboo.
It was a good experience going to Brazil and being in Amazonia itself because it resonates with my research.
The great success of this workshop, besides the partnership between the University of Surrey and UFRA, was due to the funding of CAPES, CNPq, Rainforest from the Brazilian part, and also MPEG. The next step, I think, is to consolidate the partnership into real collaboration research.
So watch the space. We are going to establish a new network of experts, and together hopefully we can achieve very good outcomes.